Okay, so this is question number 10 in your textbook. In a quadrilateral ABCD, prove that AB plus BC plus CD is greater than DA. Okay, just let me know the question when I ask you. I will draw the figure over here. Question number 10, right? A, B, C, D. What is the first thing to be proved?
AB plus BC plus CD is greater than
Is greater than
DA.
DA, okay. AB plus BC plus CD is greater than DA. I think we can do one construction here. You can join AC. And then in triangle ABC, AB plus BC can be greater than AC, right?
Yes.
Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. And then in triangle ADC, AC plus CD is greater than AD. So what I will do next, so what I've used over here is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. Please note down with me, everyone, and please keep your cam on. AB plus BC plus AC plus CD is greater than AC plus AD. तो मैंने क्या किया ज़रा नोट करो इसको. AB प्लस BC प्लस AC प्लस CD मतलब जो LHS है ना, LHS उसको एक साथ रखा, एंड द RHS AC प्लस AD उसको एक साथ रखा. Then what I will do is I will cut AC from both the sides. AC को दोनों साइड से मैं कट कर सकता हूँ. So what I'm left with? I'm left with AB plus BC plus CD is greater than AD. राइट, यही प्रूव करना था मुझे. सो मैंने क्या किया, AC डायगोनल ड्रॉ किया दो ट्राइंगल में, द सम ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड वाला प्रॉपर्टी यूज किया दो ट्राइंगल में ABC और ACD में, एंड फिर दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड कर दिया एंड आई गॉट माई रिजल्ट विच आई वॉज फाइंडिंग. ठीक है, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज एंड डू द सेकेंड वन हियर ओनली. एंड इफ एनी वन हैज एनी इश्यूज, नहीं समझ में आया या कुछ है तो प्लीज मुझे बताओ.
Questions of inequality or various questions for construction, if they have given a figure and they have also included a dotted line, so we have to write the dotted line in section.
Yes, you do. You are right. डन, ये हो गया, इतना लिख लिया सबने? ओके, तो ये तो इजी था, राइट? नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द नेक्स्ट वन. Om, can you please tell me what is the second thing to be proved?
Yes, sir. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA.
एक मिनट, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA
is greater than 2AC.
Okay. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 times AC. So first, in triangle ABC, I will take triangle ABC first, and in triangle ABC I will write AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus BC is greater than AC. Equation number 1. Then in triangle ADC, I will write AD plus DC is greater than AC. Equation number 2. What is the reason? The sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Reason तो हमें पता ही है, ठीक है? So therefore adding 1 and 2, अगर 1 और 2 को ऐड करेंगे, what we will get? AB plus BC plus AD plus DC is greater than 2 times AC. Is greater than 2 times AC. Easy था ना ये वाला?
I think for the third one we have to make.
Yes, for the third one you have to draw diagonal BD also, or you have to draw diagonal BD and then do the third one. I'm not doing the third one. Third one has to be done by you. Will you be able to do it? Try it. Try it. Okay, not now, but as homework.
Join BD.
Yeah, join BD. Easy it is. If you join BD, it is very easy. Same two triangles you have to take and do this, follow the same steps. So question number 10 तुम्हारी बुक में का उसका जो थर्ड वाला है वो होमवर्क में दे रहा हूँ. Okay, the next one which I want to do is the 12th one. ABC is an equilateral triangle and P is any point on AC. Prove that BP is greater than PA and BP is greater than PC. BP greater than PA and BP greater than PC. हो जाएगा.
That 12th question in your book is the 11th question.
Okay, I will mark it here. Question number 11th. Okay. So I'm doing question number 11th from your book. BP greater than PA. Question number 11. I have to draw an equilateral triangle. And I have to take a point P somewhere here, and I have to join Om, what is the name of this vertex?
A. No, sir, B.
This is B,
B.
this is A, and this is C. And what we have to prove? Number one.
DB is greater than TE.
Okay. And this is the equilateral triangle, right? So all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. Okay, if I have to compare BP and AP, I have to compare the angles opposite to them. So I can compare them very easily. There is no issue in that. See, angle APB is an exterior angle. Please note it down. Angle APB, now I'm talking about this angle, is an exterior angle of triangle BPC. Angle APB is an exterior angle of triangle BPC, and as you all know that exterior angle is always greater than the two opposite interior angle. So angle APB will be greater than angle PCB, है ना? Angle APB will be greater than angle PCB. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिख दो exterior angle is always greater than the opposite interior angle. Exterior angle is always greater than the opposite interior angle. ठीक है, अच्छा, can I say that angle APB is greater than angle PAB? क्यों? क्योंकि angle PCB is equal to angle PAB, because this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because it's an equilateral triangle, तो all the angles are equal. ठीक है, सो ये दोनों एंगल में कंपैरिजन हो गई, ये वाला बड़ा एंगल है और ये वाला छोटा एंगल है, राइट? We compared the two angles very easily. Okay, also we can say that angle PAB is greater than angle ABP. Angle PAB is greater than angle ABP. Why? No, one second. Not angle PAB. Angle ABC. Angle ABC is greater than angle ABP. ABC ABP से बड़ा है. Why? Because whole
is always greater than.
very good. Whole is always greater than the part. Whole is always greater than the part. So angle ABC is always greater than angle ABP. But, and yes,
I think understood.
okay. But angle ABP, sorry, angle ABC is equal to angle PAB. Why angle ABC and PAB are equal? Because angles of equilateral triangle, right? So we can say that angle PAB is greater than angle ABP. PAB और ABP का कंपैरिजन हो गया. अब PAB से बड़ा एंगल है APB और APB PAB से बड़ा है और PAB ABP से बड़ा है. So we can compare, we can say from 1 and from 2 we can say from 1 and 2 I'll just show you here. APB PAB से बड़ा है और PAB ABP से बड़ा है. Therefore we can say that angle APB is greater than angle ABP. Angle APB is greater than angle ABP. Now what does that mean from the figure? ABP कौन सा एंगल है? ये वाला एंगल है ABP and APB ये वाला एंगल है. APB is greater, नहीं हमें BP और PA को कंपेयर करना है ना यार. तो एंगल A ये तो हो गया ना फिर प्रूफ, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. दिस वॉज वेरी इजी एक्चुअली, इतने सारे स्टेप्स की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी क्योंकि हमें BP और AP को कंपेयर करना था. तो BP के सामने वाला एंगल कौन सा है? दिस इज द सॉरी BP के सामने वाला एंगल है एंगल A. एंगल A बड़ा है किससे? एंगल P से, सॉरी एंगल B से. यस, पार्ट ऑफ एंगल B से. So we can say that AP is greater than BP.
Actually, we can select the first step, like the first step would be.
एक मिनट यहाँ पे कुछ तो गलत है यार. How can BP? हाँ, BP is greater than AP. Correct. BP is greater than AP. कुछ steps हमने ज़्यादा लिख दिए, but that they will be useful in the next question. Therefore यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं therefore BP is greater than AP. Side opposite to greater angle is longer. Side opposite to greater angle is longer. ठीक है, ये तो फर्स्ट वाला था. व्हाट वाज द सेकंड थिंग टू बी प्रूव्ड?
BP is greater than PC.
BP is greater than PC. Okay, the same thing. Yes.
So why can't we just write in the start that angle PAB is equal to angle ABC?
We can actually write.
And then we can write angle AB, but angle ABC is smaller than angle ABC. So angle
Yes.
ABC is smaller than PAB.
Actually, you know what? These 3 steps were unnecessary. These 3 steps. ठीक है, इसको मैं डिलीट कर सकता हूं. मेरा जो आंसर है ना, मैं यहीं से शुरू कर सकता हूं. Yes, you are right. So I can make it shorter by this much. पहले 3 स्टेप में हटा सकता हूं. ठीक है, so from the same goes with the second part. If you want to compare BP and PC, that means you have to compare angle C and angle CBP. and that can easily be compared with the same method. ठीक है, let's see what next to be done. Okay, so I did the question 11th in your book. You can try as homework, you can try the 14th one and the 13th one. Which are these in your book? Question 12 and question 13, right? Okay, I want to try the 16th one directly. Okay. Is that 15th in your book?
No, sir, it is 14.
This 16th one?
Yes, sir, it is 15. Yes, sir, it is 15.
The sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are produced. So a triangle is made like this. AB and AC of a triangle are produced to point P.
What they are saying produced.
Produced means extended. Do you see in the figure how I have drawn? I have produced AB and AC ahead further. So AB is produced further and AC is produced further. And the bisectors of the external angles B and C meet at point P. Okay, so this I cannot name at point P and Q. I will name it as point X and Y. And I will draw the bisectors of angle B and angle C. And they meet at point P. Prove that if AB is greater than AC, so in given I will write bisectors of exterior angles B and C meet at P. Bisectors of exterior angles meet at point P. इसका मतलब है ये एंगल इससे इक्वल है और ये एंगल इससे इक्वल है. Bisectors of exterior angle B and C meet at point P. To prove, क्या लिखा है? If AB
is greater than AC,
then
PC is greater than PE. PC is greater than PE.
ये प्रूव करना है. ओके, बहुत इजी है ये. इफ AB इज ग्रेटर देन AC, AB इज ग्रेटर देन AC, तो AB के सामने वाला एंगल मतलब एंगल ACB विल बी ग्रेटर देन AC के सामने वाला एंगल मतलब एंगल ABC. एंगल ACB विल बी ग्रेटर देन एंगल ABC. Angles opposite to greater side are greater. ठीक है, so ABC will be greater than, sorry, ACB will be greater than ABC. ठीक है, अच्छा अब देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, ये मुझे पता चल गया एंगल ACB और ABC का रिलेशनशिप. अब देखो, अगर मैं इसको 180 से माइनस कर दूं, 180, therefore 180 माइनस ACB और दूसरे साइड में 180 माइनस ABC, तो क्या होगा पता है, ये जो इक्वालिटी की साइन है वो चेंज हो जाएगी. इट विल गेट रिवर्स्ड. The sign of equality will get reversed. So the angle which was earlier the greater angle, uh, its linear pair will become smaller. जो एंगल बड़ा था उसकी लीनियर पेयर छोटी हो जाएगी. So 180 minus angle ACB is this angle will become smaller than 180 minus angle ABC. अच्छा अब मैं क्या करूंगा, 180 minus ACB तो हो गया तुम्हारा लीनियर पेयर. ठीक है, इसको मैं हाफ कर दूंगा. आई विल मेक इट हाफ, बट हाफ करने से इक्वालिटी में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. सो देयरफॉर हाफ ऑफ 180 माइनस एंगल ACB will be smaller than half of 180 minus angle ABC. ठीक है, so what is half of 180 minus angle ACB? It is this angle. It is angle PCB. Angle PCB will be smaller than, what is half of 180 minus angle ABC? It is angle PBC. So PCB, angle PCB is greater than, sorry, angle PCB is smaller than angle PBC. Angle PCB is smaller than angle PBC. अच्छा, एंगल PCB और PBC का रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश हो गया. PCB एंड PBC का रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश हो गया. सो कैन यू टेल मी द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द लेंथ्स? PCB और PBC के बीच का रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश हो गया. व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द लेंथ्स? लेंथ के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप होगा? PCB छोटा है तो उसके सामने वाली साइड छोटी होगी, मतलब ये वाली साइड. So therefore PB will be smaller than PC. Sides opposite to smaller angle is shorter. PB is smaller than PC. Is that the thing to be proved? यही चीज PC is small greater than PB prove करना था. Yeah, so we have taken AB is greater than AC and then we have proved that PB is smaller than PC और PC is greater than PB, है ना? यही प्रूव करना है ना? This is the proof. Which step? Whole thing मत बोलो यार क्रिश.
Sir, I did not understand why did you take 180 minus angle ACB and which is smaller than 180 minus ACB.
Can you tell me which two sides have to be compared? Proved.
BP and PC.
And PB and PC lies in which triangle?
Triangle PCC.
And to compare the sides of triangle PBC, which angles we have to compare? PBC and PCB, right? And to compare those angles, we should know which is greater and which is smaller. I don't know anything about them. I know something about their linear pairs. That is angle ABC and ACB. Why? Because I know AB is greater than AC. So first thing I wrote was, look at the screen. First thing I wrote was AB is greater than AC. Then after that I wrote ACB greater than ABC. Why? Because angles opposite to greater side are greater. Okay. Then what I did, I subtracted both the angles from 180. But as soon as I subtracted both the angles from 180, the inequality sign changed. Do you see the change in inequality sign? If you do not make that change, your answer will be wrong. I took this angle and subtracted both of them from 180. The inequality sign which was earlier greater than, in the next step became smaller than. Acha, then I took the same angles and multiplied with half. Then inequality sign did not change. So what is 180 minus angle ACB? It is this angle. And what is the half of this angle? It is the small angle in the angle PCB. So angle PCB I proved smaller than PBC. So PB is smaller than PC or PC is greater than PB. Now you understood.
So why did you take 1/2? Why did you divide it by 1/2?
If you read the given, they have clearly mentioned that PB and PC are the bisectors of exterior angle B and C. Do you know the meaning of the term bisectors?
Divide two things into half.
Exactly. So I don't want the full angle, exterior angle B and C. I just want the half of them, which are part of triangle PBC. That's why I multiplied with half.
Okay, sir, understood. Okay, sir.
Any doubt in any of the steps?
No, sir.
If you see it stepwise, now you will understand what I have taken first and then what I have proved and then how I have proceeded to, verify the relationship between the angles of the triangle PBC. PBC के angles को compare करके फिर उसकी sides को compare किया मैंने. So it was a very interesting question. Question number 17th, do you see? You have to do it now. You all have to do it now. Which is the question number in your book? 16?
Yes.
Okay, do it now.
Sir, just to be sure, I wanted to ask you that why you add or subtract something on both the sides in inequality, the sign changes.
Yeah, if so in inequality, there are some rules. Let me see, you have this chapter next year, but you have it in algebra, not in geometry. But there are some rules which are common to both algebra and geometry. Suppose if a value A is greater than value B, okay, if you subtract same thing from both the sides, then also the inequality does not change. If you add same thing to both the sides, then also the inequality does not change. Yeah, but if you change the sign, ठीक है, suppose you are doing it minus A and minus B, then inequality will change. क्योंकि just देखो ना, 5 is greater than 3. What is the relationship between minus 5 and minus 3? Who is greater? तो अगर मैंने दोनों की साइन चेंज की तो इनइक्वालिटी की साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. जो पॉजिटिव नंबर में बड़ा होता है ना, नेगेटिव में वही नंबर छोटा हो जाता है. यू अंडरस्टूड दिस लॉजिक? अच्छा, और एक है इसमें. सपोज इफ a is greater than b, then x minus a and x minus b को we can compare. X minus a will be smaller than x minus b. Do you see that? यही चीज मैंने यहाँ पे 180 माइनस ABC और ACB में की थी. So if you understand that. Yeah, so I was saying question number 16 in your book. You have to try now. Try it now. If you need my help, ask me. I will help you. Dhani, your cam is continuously frozen. Dhani, you wanted to come to offline now. Why are you not here? Dhani, are you there? Not giving you much time, only a little time. 2 minutes more. Yes. Yes, Krish. Done. Very good. Okay, let's see if you have got it. 2 minutes are over. See, we have to arrange x, y, and z in ascending order of their values. What is x, y, and z? Can you tell me, Om? Exterior angles. Do you see that?
Yes.
They are exterior angles. So, for comparing exterior angles, you should have some knowledge about the interior angles. And for comparing interior angles, you should have some knowledge about the length of the sides opposite to those interior angles. We do have the knowledge. They have given you the idea over here. So let me show it to you. I have some space here. See, AB is the largest and BC is the smallest. Okay? So AB is greater than AC is greater than BC. Right? यही लिखा है ना मैंने. AB largest है और BC smallest है. तो AB के सामने वाला एंगल सबसे बड़ा होगा. The greatest angle is always opposite to the largest, longest side. ठीक है. सो AB के सामने वाला एंगल कौन सा है? एंगल C. यस, इट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट. उसके बाद AC के सामने वाला एंगल आता है एंगल B, और सबसे छोटा होता है BC के सामने वाला एंगल, दैट इज एंगल A. डू यू एग्री विद दिस? ठीक है. अच्छा, नाउ एंगल C इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल B इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल A. अगर मैं सबको 180 से माइनस कर दूं, मतलब 180 माइनस एंगल C, 180 माइनस एंगल B एंड 180 माइनस एंगल A, तो क्या होगा पता है? जो सबसे बड़ा एंगल था वो अब सबसे छोटा हो जाएगा, और जो सबसे छोटा था वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. मैंने अभी बताया था वही रूल कि अगर मैं 180 माइनस करता हूं तो जो बड़ा है वो छोटा हो जाएगा, छोटा है बड़ा. Yeah, exactly. So what is 180 minus angle C? 180 minus C is Z. 180 minus B is Y, and 180 minus A is X. So Z is the smallest, Y is in the middle, and X is the greatest. X, Y and Z arranged in ascending order. ये आंसर आना चाहिए तुमको. Krish, did you get this answer? Good, very nice. Who else got this answer?
Sir, me.
गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, समझ में आया ये वाला? ओके, कूल. Okay, I'll do one more question for you. The 18th quadrilateral ABCD. Do you have this question in your? You don't have? How many questions you have? Check the 17th one.
In quadrilateral.
Question number 17. Side AB is the longest and DC is the shortest. A, B, C, D. Side AB is the longest and DC is the shortest. Prove that angle C is greater than angle A. C और A को कंपेयर करना है, ठीक है। तो ये जो फर्स्ट वाला है ना प्रूफ, इसको प्रूव करने के लिए यू हैव टू ज्वाइन C to A. So what do we know? AB is the longest. So can I say that in triangle, note कर लो सब लोग, in triangle, एक मिनट, ये ऊपर वाला मैं हटा देता हूँ, just a moment guys. ऐसा फिगर बना लेना जैसे मैंने बनाया है, एक मिनट, मेरे को ये हटा देना है. Okay, so in triangle ABC, what do we know? AB is the longest. So can we say that AB is greater than BC? ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं इस एंगल को नाम देता हूं 1, इसको नाम देता हूं 2, इसको नाम देता हूं 3 और इसको नाम देता हूं 4. अब ध्यान से देखो, मैंने जो डायगोनल बनाया है ना AC, उसके अराउंड मैंने 1 2 3 4 नाम दिए. सो AB इज ग्रेटर देन BC इन ट्राइंगल ABC. सो AB के सामने वाला एंगल सबसे बड़ा होगा, देयरफॉर एंगल 1 विल बी ग्रेटर देन BC के सामने वाला एंगल 2. Why? What is the reason? The angle opposite to longer side is greater. So angle 1 is greater than angle 2. Okay. Similarly, in triangle ADC, we know that DC is the shortest side. So इसका मतलब क्या है कि AD is greater than DC. मतलब AD के सामने वाला एंगल बड़ा होगा, मतलब एंगल 4 is greater than angle 3. वही सेम रीजन. अच्छा, इसको इक्वेशन 1 बना दो, इसको 2 बना दो. सो नाउ व्हाट डू वी नो? इफ दिस इज द ट्रूथ, then we can say that adding equation 1 and 2, what can we say adding equation 1 and 2? Angle 1 plus angle 4 becomes greater than angle 2 plus angle 3. Acha, what is from the figure, can you tell me what is angle 1 plus angle 4? 1 plus 4 क्या होता है? C. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is angle C. And what is 2 plus 3? Yes. So 1 plus 4 is angle C is greater than angle A. Angle C is greater than angle A. हमें प्रूफ क्या करना था? वही प्रूव करना था. हो गया प्रूफ? लिखना है किसी को भी लिख लो प्लीज. इसका सेकंड पार्ट तुम्हारे लिए मैंने होमवर्क में छोड़ा है. इवन 19th मेरे बुक में जो है, तुम्हारी बुक में है ये क्वेश्चन 19th वाला?
No sir, ये एक्सेप्टेबल वाला नहीं.
Do you have this 19th question? नहीं है. Okay, leave it. Forget it. Do you have this 20th one? In a right angle triangle, prove that hypotenuse is the greatest. How many questions you have?
21.
Oh. ठीक है, I'll show you more. ये लिख दिया ना, इतना लिखा ना ये वाला. Please note it down.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have the
Sir,
20.
the answer behind the book, behind the exercise, are the answers of your questions.
Means?
The exercise 11 in our book has every question to prove. We just have to prove every question.
Yeah.
Make mostly. And behind the book, exercise 11 has answered this question number 19. It has 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, and 19.
Okay.
The answers are also given in the wrong.
No problem. The remaining questions are just prove that wala.
So you have 22 questions.
Yeah. Do you have any of them in your book?
Yes, sir. 22, 23, and
22 question.
and
23rd question.
And 25th.
from the
23rd and 25th.
Okay, so I'm giving homework from here.
So the 22nd.
Okay. So the questions which you will do as homework will be question number 24 and 25 from my book. In your book, which are these?
20 and 20.
Question 20 and question 21. Right? So the homework are these two, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one half question maybe. Not much, only a little bit. 12, 13, 17th का second, 20 and 21. ठीक है? These are the homework remaining we have done over here. Right? So this chapter is over. This chapter is over with a lot of questions. I have done for you. You have also have to do an homework. So let me stop the recording here. Wait.